This video is going to be an opening of what is different for the brand new Phase 1 XT packaging versus the Phase 1 XF packaging. So I'm not going to go over all the things that are in the box. I'm going to go over all the things that are different in the box than a Phase 1 XF for the brand new Phase 1 XT. So as we open it up, you'll see that the standard 2 inserts, and there is the new product. You'll see completely new packaging inside, new Phase 1 XT. This is the Rodenstock HR32, along with an IQ4 150. Packaging is very important, that it goes in just a certain way and fits nice and tight. The new pieces that you'll see are, of course, XT body, HR lens, a mount that is specific for the XF/XT mount on the back. We'll have some torque wrenches that are on the side. These torque wrenches are specifically for mounting accessories. We'll see here that these two pieces here, these two screws will come off, and any Cambo accessory like a compendium lens shade, an iPhone mount, or just a viewfinder can mount on the side. I would tell you that with the 23HR, a compendium shade is absolutely a must. Also, a rear lens cap. There is no cap on the lens itself, but the body of the lens will have a lens cap on the back, Phase 1 branded. We go to the other side. You'll see the norm of the 3 pouches. And honestly, all the pouches and accessories are everything like you would see in buying a brand new IQ4 150. There are nothing new in the accessories other than some caps and accessories that go with this that would normally come. The one new piece is Phase 1 LCC in a nice pouched kit here. Take a look at that. It's a nice foam pouch in a new size.